On the home road, I roll alone. Stars above that are far from
Welcome back, my frost-gnawing nomads of necessity, my cold-crushing captains of calamity, my shiver-battered saints of stubbornness. Hobo Yeti here, somewhere between a frozen tarp and a poorly timed life lesson. Staying warm out here is not a hobby or a vibe. It is a nightly negotiation between your bloodstream and the weather gods, who clearly have unresolved personal issues. Every icy gust feels like an eviction notice, every wet sock a hate crime, and every morning you wake up still warmish is a cosmic clerical error in your favor. Nothing about this is inspired, glamorous, or noble. It is survival with a side of denial wrapped in plastic foam, and whatever dignity didn't escape during the last storm. Tonight we're digging into the gear you can buy, the hacks you can steal from the universe, and the clothing that keeps your skin where it belongs. These tricks aren't theoretical. They're the real, gritty, borderline absurd things that keep you alive long enough to complain about them. Let's dive in before my breath freezes in midair. Higher cost gear. 1. Memory foam. Memory foam turns the hateful ground into a slightly less homicidal surface. 4 inches of insulation keeps the cold from robbing your spine blind. It's not luxury, just survival pretending to be comfort. 2. USB-C heated blanket and 20 minutes of artificial paradise powered by a battery praying for mercy. When it dies, so does your morale, but those minutes may keep your toes from filing for emancipation. 3. 10-degree sleeping bag with footbox. A good footbox traps warmth like it is committing tax fraud. Barefoot sleepers swear by it with religious fervor. It becomes your personal bunker against the cold. 4. Heated clothing. Heated gloves, jackets, and insoles turn you into a temporary superhero. When the battery quits, reality hits like a brick. Until then, you get to pretend tech hasn't abandoned you emotionally. 5. Cot. Being off the ground is the difference between sleeping and suffering. Add insulation on top, or airflow will shiv you from below. It becomes a raised platform of survival and questionable comfort. Low cost or free options. 1. Cardboard layers. Cardboard is the insulation equivalent of a grumpy uncle. Stack it deep and suddenly the ground stops mugging your body heat. Wrapped in plastic, it becomes a budget survival mattress with resentment issues. 2. Collected foam. Broken foam scraps become your DIY thermal fortress. Spread them out and you'll feel the ground hating you less. Trash turns into treasure when the temperature tries to murder you. 3. Multiple sleeping bags. Stacking sleeping bags multiplies warmth the way panic multiplies creativity. 250 rated bags together become a single fighting chance. Survival becomes basic math spelled out by desperation. 4. Contractor bags. Wear one as a poncho or wrap your sleeping bag like a burrito of sadness. They trap heat, block wind, and crinkle like shame. Ugly but loyal to the bitter end. 5. Staying dry. Wet equals cold equals regret so deep it echoes. Time your movements like a broke meteorologist with a vendetta. Dry gear is the closest thing to hope sold at retail. 6. Plastic sheeting. Plastic becomes your emergency tarp, shield, and questionable life choice. Wrap it around anything you love, including yourself. Condensation always arrives like a disappointed parent. 7. Emergency blanket. It reflects heat like it's holding a grudge. It sticks, crinkles, and makes you feel like a baked potato questioning its life path. Condensation will betray you, but warmth wins first. 8. Day sleeping. Sleep when the sun offers its pity. Stay awake at night to move, pace, and avoid freezing solid. It's survival by vampire scheduling. 9. Sit-ups in tent. Heat your core by doing the saddest workout in human history. It works even while humiliating you. You become your own furnace powered by regret. 10. Pee bottle. Keeps you from stepping into the icy void at 3 a.m. Saves heat, saves time, and saves your will to live. Just use a wide mouth bottle unless you crave trauma. 11. Dog for warmth. A dog becomes a furry, judgmental space heater. They keep you alive better than half your gear. They warm your body and insult your pride in equal measure. 12. Hot drink in thermos. Warm liquid restores your will to fight the night. Sip slowly like you're pretending life is cozy. It's morale with steam. Apparel. 1. Hoodie. The hoodie is your survival uniform. Hood up traps heat. Hood down punishes mistakes. It doubles as a pillow, mask, and emotional support device. 2. Puff jacket or winter coat. Wear it over the hoodie when the cold is rude. Wear it under the hoodie when the cold becomes legally actionable. Your torso becomes a layered casserole of defiance. 3. Mittens. Fingerless fleece mittens keep you functional without donating your fingers to frostbite. They trap just enough heat to keep you cursing instead of crying. Ugly but dependable. 4. Neck gaiter. Your neck leaks heat like a busted radiator. A gaiter stops the wind from sucker punching your spine. With one on, you feel like a warmer, angrier ninja. 5. Beanies. One beanie says you are chilly. 2 beanies say you have seen things and will not discuss them. They trap skull heat like they're running a scam. 6. 2-pair sock system. Thin sock, then thick sock. That's the law. Warm toes are the difference between survival and swearing at the universe until dawn. 7. Snow muck boots. Warm, waterproof, and ergonomically designed by someone who hates feet. Add insoles unless you enjoy suffering recreationally. They keep your feet alive even when your mood freezes solid. Staying warm is not something people write inspirational posters about, but it is something you claw through night after night. Every layer, every scrap of insulation, every improvised trick becomes a rebellion against a world that shrugs while you freeze. You learn to hoard heat with the intensity of a dragon defending its last ember. You learn that warmth is temporary but effort is constant. If you are still here, still breathing fog into the morning, still building comfort from scraps and stubborn determination, then you have already outlasted nights designed to break you. Staying warm is not glorious, but surviving the cold is its own kind of victory. Keep fighting for that heat, keep waking up on the right side of the frost. I hope your road is a good one, and if you're homeless, I hope it doesn't suck for you. And remember, heat is temporary, but poor decisions in winter are forever. Peace.